Jameson et je m'occupe de marché européen pour le bureau de convention de Londres. Le bureau de convention de Londres fait partie du London and Partners, donc on est le bureau officiel promotion de la mairie de Londres. Mais on travaille aussi, on a les équipes de Foreign Direct Investment, investissement, trade, on représente les life sciences, le Med City à Londres. So vraiment, on est un mélange de Visit London, London Convention Bureau et aussi ces autres équipes qui font toute partie du mairie. Yes, so we're in Brussels today in this beautiful hotel to really raise awareness again of London. London is, I would say, it's like a neighbour to Brussels. C'est à peine 2 heures dans le train, Eurostar. There's been a period of a few years where everyone in our industry, you know, has suffered because of COVID, I would also say with Brexit. But now really we're seeing a renewal of interest. People want to come to London to do business, and I think the city has so many new products, new hotel openings, and on est si près de vous. And I think we're noticing a lot more demand from Belgium and also from France and from Holland, because people do want a sustainable offer. And I've also been able, because of Belgium and Brussels being the headquarters of the EU, I have an industry role. I'm the president of City Destinations Alliance, and this is an alliance of 200 cities, small and large, across Europe. And we've just created, with other industry associations, a manifesto called the EU Dialogue, which we presented to the EU. Yesterday I had meetings with DG Grow and the European Travel Commission, because we really, really do want our sector to be recognised as a change maker, as not just tourism, you know, the legacy of the events that we bring into all of our countries, to raise the awareness of the importance of, you know, what these events mean, you know, how they can create the possibility for investment in each city, how they can create collaboration, how maybe a meeting event goer can come back and live in the city, or they can extend, you know, friends and family and come back for culture.
Je m'appelle Nathalie, je travaille pour une petite chaîne hôtelière qui s'appelle Red Carnation. Sur Londres, on a 6 hôtels, et donc le plus petit a 28 chambres et est près de Knightsbridge, donc près de Harrods en fait, et le plus grand a 160 chambres. Donc c'est pas des grands hôtels, mais ils sont tous très bien situés. On est près de Buckingham Palace, on est près de Kensington Garden, Harrods, je l'ai déjà dit, et puis on a un hôtel aussi un petit peu plus au nord qui est tout près de la station de King's Cross, donc très pratique quand les gens viennent en Eurostar, et aussi juste derrière le British Museum aussi. Donc ils sont tous assez centrales, on va dire, dans Londres, et près de toutes les attractions londoniennes que vous voulez voir en fait. En fait, notre plus grand hôtel à Londres fait 160 chambres et c'est le plus grand. Et tous les autres, ça va de 28 chambres jusqu'à ça en fait. Et donc l'avantage de nos hôtels, c'est qu'ils ont tous quelque chose d'unique à offrir. On est très basé aussi sur la cuisine. Notre propriétaire, Madame Tolman, en fait, était une des premières chefs d'un hôtel en Afrique du Sud. Donc elle Voilà, donc moi je m'occupe en fait du MICE, donc tous les groupes, surtout corporate, on va dire au niveau du business, aussi les incentives, les groupes incentives. Donc ça, je m'occupe de tout ça pour la collection, donc pour nos 19 hôtels maintenant. Et donc nos groupes, en fait, bon, on est une petite chaîne d'hôtels, donc les groupes idéaux pour nous, c'est de 10 à 50 personnes, on va dire. Et en fait, ce qu'on essaie de faire aussi, c'est qu'on essaye de faire quelque chose de assez... On travaille beaucoup sur l'écologie et dans la communauté aussi. Donc on offre beaucoup d'expériences en fait, qui sont basées sur des choses pour rendre un petit peu à la communauté. Par exemple, il y a nos hôtels à Londres, le Edgerton House, qui fait des dîners au Clink, qui est une prison très connue, anglaise. Et en fait, c'est pour la réhabilitation des prisonniers. Donc il y a des expériences un petit peu comme ça qu'on offre, qui sont voilà, uniques, on va dire, et différentes. Et donc c'est ça qui fait un petit peu qui nous différencie du reste des hôtels de Londres.
So we are BMA House, part of the British Medical Association. We're a conference and events venue in the heart of central London. We pride ourselves on our sustainability credentials and what we do as a busy, primarily corporate venue, but we do private dinners, we do conferences, we do galas, we do a lot of filming work too with new productions up and coming in the country. So we really have a lot going on. Like I say, we're championing our sustainability credentials. We have a zero food waste policy going into biofuel and into our menus. We work with a company of cooks, which are our caterers, and we really cater to all sorts of events throughout the industry, but also in other industries. So we're a home to finance legal companies, but also to private dinners, and we cover everything. We're a very diverse events venue.
My name is Maarten Rogmans. I'm head of groups and events at the NED in London. So the NED is your first urban resort. It has 7 different restaurants, ground floor with live music, 250 bedrooms, event spaces. So it's not your typical hotel. There's always atmosphere, and it's great to come by for a few drinks or a meal.
I'm Yvonne. I'm from nhow London Hotel. I represent the nhow London here at the Brussels. It's a quirky, Instagrammable hotel which can accommodate 190 people, and I think it would be perfect for European travelers because we are located close to St Pancras. It's like 10 minutes taxi ride, and the hotel is really funky, quirky in an upcoming Shoreditch area, so yeah, give us a try and thank you very much.
Je suis représentant au Park Plaza, les hôtels 4 étoiles. On fait partie de la société Radisson, une trentaine d'hôtels, notamment 8 sur Londres, c'est pour ça qu'on est là aujourd'hui. Et il y a d'autres hôtels sur Amsterdam, Berlin entre autres, notamment des grands espaces événementiels pour entre 500 et 700 personnes au centre de Londres. Et on est là aujourd'hui pour parler aux bailleurs basés ici à Bruxelles, non seulement pour les hôtels à Londres, mais les hôtels Benelux aussi, et toutes les autres destinations qu'on a dans la collection. Voilà.
Good Hotel London, very unique floating hotel that it's on the mission to positively impact and change the world. So we're saying sleep good, do good. One night at good hotel versus 1 week education for children in Antigua de Guatemala. We donate profit to the schools, and as well in London we're working with the local council of nhow, reinvest the profit to offer long-term unemployed local people the hospitality training. We've got 148 bedrooms, meeting spaces, rooftop bar, as you can see, with a fantastic views over the water. You can see the skyline, and we will be pleased to welcome you all.
Well, hello everybody. My name is Eduardo. As Barbara said, I look after this beautiful property. We are located just where the Eurostar sits, and we recently developed I wanted to highlight just a quick one. We recently developed a suite to seat and seat to suite, which is basically one of my colleagues will take your clients from the seat of the Eurostar, and they will take them to the suite, and then it will be exactly the same all the way around. That will prevent queues, everybody hate a queue of the custom, so they will just keep the queue and they will be pretty much it.
And we try to give everyone the best experience they can have as we're a growing company now in London. We do have other representatives across the Europe side, but since GB, Ireland and Scotland are big destinations, we have a lot of clients who want to do everything all at the same time in 1 week. So we have a nice team from Ireland, from Scotland, very international speaking, so we're able to relate to a lot of countries that come through us, and we're just trying to create a process and bespoke, let's say, activity and experience that gives that wow factor for everyone in this industry. So yes, if you have any questions, please do let me know. We have a very broad spectrum of things to do.
We have a very nice property, brand new, with us through branded and become a Mercure from an IBIS. 34 million refurbishment, 508 bedrooms with a conference center attached, which can accommodate up to 1,200 people. As you can see in the picture, pillar-free black canvas space with very high ceilings, so appropriate for large events, but that space can break down in 9 different rooms, so it depends on the size of the group and the layout. We can do smaller events as well. And we do have as well smaller meeting rooms on the 2nd floor, capacity-wise up to 30 people. So yeah, we are very big. Our location is also quite nice because we are very close to the center, and we are not in Mayfair, so that makes us a lot more attractive in terms of the prices. And yeah, we're between the areas of Chelsea, Kensington and Fulham for whoever has visited London.
Jusqu'à maintenant le Pimm, qui est un alcool anglais qui a été conçu en 1840 par James Pimm. Donc c'est une liqueur qui est faite à base de gin, de fruits rouges et de plantes. Habituellement nous le buvons avec du tonic ou du soda water, de l'eau pétillante. Mais aujourd'hui on vous l'a servi avec un peu de ginger ale, des tranches d'orange et des fruits rouges.
So merci infiniment de venir.